Back at the junkyard. Let's see what we can find. It's not a bad looking rig. What do we got here? Oh, an International. Oh, you don't see many of these. These headlight housings might be worth snagging on. Well, she's in good shape too. So we've got a Dodge over here. I remember seeing this around town, I think. That big old smokestack out the back. Completely gutted. Not much to see here. Another GMC pickup. Long bed. Sierra 1500. Looks like she's been gutted on pretty good. Might have shown you this one already. Bumper's in good shape though. Wonder what that would look like on my truck. Let's see if there's anything on the inside. Hello? Nothing. Nothing. Oh, transmission? Nah. Starter. Got old blue down here. Might have shown this one last time too. Shorty, I think I did. Bumper's in good shape. Nothing in the old glove box. Got some spiders. Had some door speaker boom booms. Seat shot. Tape deck. Yeah, we're not gonna look back there. This is so horrible to see people just prying stuff off, man. Wow. Man, I thought mine were bad. It's an old bourbon. Maybe a 89? Oh man, I don't know. 84, 89. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, guys. It's got a lot of room. Pretty good floors. Be a good tonneau cover to pick up. Get handy with the fiberglass, if you know what I mean. I like that seat, that looks comfortable. It's a 98 regular cab. Gutted, probably just a standard work truck. Ford, I think we showed that one last time. Ford with a racing stripe. You know, if at any point you see something you'd like to take a look at, you gotta drop me a comment over here and I'll do my best to make that happen. Let's head back here towards the Mustangs. Four-door TRD. Little Mitsubishi Nissan. Mighty Max. Mighty Max. It's kind of a cool truck. I don't know why I've always gravitated towards trucks, but boy, this thing looks like it was living in a swamp. Doors off, somebody needs it. Seats are gone. Surprised the steering column's still there. convertible Dodge. Tailgate, it's 89 Dodge Dakota. It's got a nice bed liner in it. Seats, gone. A Ford Ranger. Bed's already been pulled. Somebody did the hard work. Ford Focus. I had one of these in a silver. Drove it all the way to Disneyland. Then the air conditioning went out. That was not fun. Oh, there's a silver one right there. Maybe that's it. Nope. It's a 2-door. Mine was a 4-door. No Mustangs? Corvair's still back there. A lot of Ford Focuses. There's a Mustang. Let's go look at that guy. Oh, convertible. Thank you, God. Man, that bumper's got to be worth something. Leather seats. So I'm gonna take a little break here because I need some parts off this. $21.99. I wish this was a 2006, but it's not. Let me see if it's got the parts I need. Well, no luck. What year is this? I was hoping those retainer clips will be on here, but they're not. It's a 04. Darn. Somebody had started to put some money into this thing. It's a bummer. It's a pretty good shell. Be good for a swap. Big old wagon. One Mustang out of all these vehicles. Interesting. Cool little Nova. I think the motor was pulled. Oh, no, it's not. Nope. 4-door. Looks like the gas tank might have caught on fire. It's a bummer. Gauge cluster. It's got the radio. Somebody put in a manual transmission. Yep. Bummer. So this one was in a fire. This one was in a lake. Too bad they couldn't have teamed up. Got a big old Cadillac down here, 2-door. One of these days I'll get me a big boat. These are kind of cool because they have the tilt column. A lot of people like to use those. That's what I had in my 54. I think it was out of a 76. But probably gonna go a different route. Maybe get a I did it column. I don't know. Or idiot column. Yes, am I missing anything down there? Well, half a Jeep over there. Looks like she's pretty much been gutted on. They have this all cleared for the new cars for me. I think those are Dodge Magnums. Those are kind of cool when they came out. You guys want to look at that? Windows all tinted. Rear door's gone. Cloth interior. Airbag deployed. Let's see if she's got the motor. Let's It's mostly there. Looks like it was a V6. Huh. A bad looking rig. This body style's starting to grow on me a little bit. Just a little bit. I said a little bit. I don't know, they look kind of cool all blacked out. CRV or Hyundai? Let's go look. Too new. Too new for what I need. A Volkswagen Bug. It's like a 90s era Mercedes. Headlights are pulled out if you need those. Let's see how close I am. Maybe it's an 89. No, 97. Nice. I don't know why people are hiding CD players back here. Well, they were a football fan. Gators. Ooh, Mercedes. The bester sits in the junkyard. It's another one. 98, 97, 98. Maybe we'll hit a 99. Well, it's getting kind of hot out. That's probably a 92 Integra. Those are fun little cars. '91, I was close. These are kind of hard to find. It's a GS, not a GSR. Little CRX here. Kind of cool. These are fun. Volkswagen Beamer. I think I've seen 3 of those convertible Beetles now. Another Volkswagen Bug. What's this up here? Nissan. Man, that's a big motor for that little car. Anybody know what size motor that is? Well, it's a Prelude. Probably gutted. 97. I love this body style. Motor's gone. I think we're gonna go back to that International, take one last peek at it. Think another spot cleared here. Maybe Friday they'll put out some new trucks. Where was that thing? Ah, there it is. Man, it's all here. It even tells you how to shift. Custom little glove box there. Custom rat turds. Man, she's nice. Don't know much about the Internationals. Looks like, I don't know what year this is. What year do you think this is? A lot of lights on it. It says it's a 61. Huh. Man, very nice. Got anything behind the seat? Custom headrest. Looks like it's a B120. It's got all the tags. 6 in a row, ready to tow. Looks like it was blowing a lot of oil. Man, she's all there. It's nice. Very nice. Hood, wipers. Man, somebody's been here because the hood was open. Wood bumper. Big metal bumper. Very cool. Very cool. Got a spare tire. Some hubcaps. The radiator surround. Radiator. Man, I wonder where the tailgate went. Cool, man. Cool old truck. Glad I came down here today.